So I help adults snoop through other adults' homes and closets legally. I specialize in helping people fall in love with houses that they really can't afford. I turn TikTok scrollers into homeowners against their will. I get paid to tell people that their Pinterest dream home isn't realistic. I help people buy homes and then immediately regret not buying a bigger one. I'm like a therapist, but instead of helping people with their relationships, I help people move away from them. So I professionally unlock doors for a living and tell people why beige is trending again.